if you meet a prospect, a few years ago, I remember going to see a client and I was at the reception. The receptionist called the client, and this client was an executive director in the organization. When the client came to the reception, she came to me like, okay, yes, good to see you, Iyore. So, how may I help you? I had a choice to start my pitch there, or to schedule the appointment, or to ask her for a seat. Guess what I did? I said, Ma, good to see you again. Can we get somewhere to sit? Then she took me to another meeting space, and we sat and we spoke for about 15 to 20 minutes. What if I had decided to give my pitch while we're standing? No way, I've lost the business. The rule is, if you can't close the deal standing, don't try to sell standing. As much as possible, ask the clients that, oh, can we get someone to sit so we can discuss? It's just going to be for a few minutes. You'll discover that most times the clients will be willing to spend more time with you. So please don't sell to impatient prospects. Reschedule the appointments if you have to, because impatient prospects won't give you their full attention. And in sales, attention is currency.